I have a STREBITO precision screwdriver kit here. We're opening this up for the first time. This is a great little toolkit for working on any small or intricate products, such as electronics, computers, toys, fine jewelry, guns, scopes, any type of stuff like that. It comes with the pretty standard kit here. We've got different type of equipment for removing plastic shields or face plates. We've got a set of tweezers. We've got a couple of spud bars, brush. We have a magnetizer and a demagnetizer, depending on that. We have the screwdriver itself here, and then all of the different bits that you can see. We'll show a close-up of those in action there, but these are basically everything you would need to take apart any type of small electronic in the day here. I'm going to grab the screwdriver. As you can see, it's a very ergonomically shaped handle. It's easily used. We'll pull that out. It's got the free spinning top, so it's easy to drive quickly with that. As you can see here, the precision nickel-plated or chrome-plated tool tips to prevent corrosion and ensure long-lasting durability. We also have magnetized tips as well, so it'll help hold the screws to it. I'm going to change my camera angle here and work on this iPhone I have, and we'll catch up there and show this thing in action. All right, again, real quick here, I just wanted to go through the parts. You can see a little bit better of a shot here. These are chromium vanadium plated, so very high durability, long-lasting, corrosion-resistant tips. The screwdriver, demagnetizer, brush, a couple of the spud bars, paddles, the tweezers, again for the screen removing and opening cases, a suction cup, as well as a couple of these, kind of a guitar picks, for lack of a better term. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull some screws out of my iPhone, grab my screwdriver. I know I need a 000 Phillips. Grab that. They're well labeled, all identified. It is a magnetic tip, so I can come in and I can grab a screw like that, and it stays on the tip of the tool, which will make it much easier to put things back together. I can show you just pulling a few of these guys out here. Again, with the free rotating top, it's very easy in a one-handed motion. It pulls, keeps the screw on the tool tip, so I can take that and place it off to the side so I don't have to worry about losing it. It easily applies enough torque to get these types of screws and stuff out of here. This is a very nice precision set that any person who does any types of repairs and work on their own should definitely consider owning. Thank you.